Good evening, everyone. I am Harshit, your tech host, and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. In today's news, we will be covering news about Qualcomm, Samsung, and Google's XR collaboration, Snapdragon XR2 Plus Gen 2 platform launch, Realme 12 Pro leaks and rumors, OpenAI's GPT Store launch, iQOO Neo 9 Pro launch in India, shifting landscape in premium smartphone market, Apple, Huawei and others, Asus ROG Phone 8 series launch announcement, itel A70 launch budget smartphone with 256 GB storage and more. To skip to any particular news story, use the chapters below. And don't forget to subscribe to IT Voice and stay up to date on all the latest tech news. The Snapdragon XR2 Plus Gen 2 platform, a collaboration between Qualcomm, Samsung and Google, has been released, succeeding the XR2 Gen 2 used in Meta Quest 3. This upgraded chip offers substantial improvements in graphics processing, potentially rivaling Apple's upcoming Vision Pro headset. Notable features include support for an impressive 4.3K resolution per eye and a 90 frame per second refresh rate, providing users with a sharper and more immersive VR experience. The XR2 Plus Gen 2 introduces enhanced tracking capabilities, supporting up to 12 cameras and powerful on-device AI for accurate user movement and surroundings tracking. The improved platform aims to offer more intuitive navigation and interaction within virtual spaces, contributing to the advancement of XR technology. Next, we have rumors surrounding the Realme 12 series smartphones have been circulating since September 2023, with expectations of a launch by the end of January. Tipster DCS has revealed renders of the Realme 12 Pro showcasing a curved display, minimal bezels, and a centrally located punch hole. The rear panel features a circular camera module housing 4 cutouts and an LED flash with anticipated color variants of black, orange and white. The design aligns with the previously leaked China listing, and the device is expected to be powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 chipset. Specifications include a 6.7-inch AMOLED FHD plus 120Hz display and a 16 megapixel front camera, emphasizing a focus on camera capabilities. OpenAI is set to launch the GPT Store, offering custom apps based on its text-generating AI models such as GPT-4. Developers building GPTs need to review updated usage policies and brand guidelines for compliance before listing their GPTs in the store. GPTs requiring no coding experience can range from simple to complex applications such as answering recipe-related queries or analyzing proprietary code bases. The GPT Store was announced during OpenAI's Dev Day and was delayed, likely due to a leadership shakeup in November. The store aims to provide a platform for developers to showcase and share their GPT-based applications. iQOO has confirmed the launch of Neo 9 Pro in India in February, succeeding the Neo 7 Pro. The phone features a dual-tone design, premium vegan leather finish, quad circle camera, and a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 SoC. Specifications include a 6.78-inch 1.5K 1 to 144 Hz LTPO AMOLED screen, 120-watt fast charging, and a 5160 mAh dual battery. The device will be available on Amazon.in, and the standard glass back version is also expected to launch alongside. iQOO aims to continue its competitive pricing strategy with the Neo 9 Pro. In 2023, Apple dominated the high-end smartphone market with a commanding 71% share in devices priced over $600. Huawei's resurgence with the Mate 60 series marked a notable shift, increasing its market share in the premium segment from 3% to 5%. Samsung retained its second position with a 17% share, emphasizing a strong presence in the premium market. The premium smartphone market growth highlights a trend of consumers seeking high-quality, long-lasting devices, reflected in preferences in markets like China, Western Europe, India, and the Middle East and Africa regions. Apple's recent entry into India's premium smartphone market signals recognition of the region's potential. Next up we have Asus is set to launch the ROG Phone 8 series in China on 16 January with a global unveiling at CES 2024. Leaks suggest the lineup will include the ROG Phone 8 and an ROG Phone 8 Pro following the base and higher end variant tradition. Official teasers showcase an edgeless frame for the base model with slimmer bezels compared to older models. Asus India confirmed the India launch date for the ROG Phone 8 on 8 January, aligning with the global unveiling. Details about the ROG Phone 8 Pro's availability in India remain unclear. At last, ITIL has unveiled the A70, one of India's first smartphones featuring 256GB storage and 12GB RAM priced at Rs 7,299. The device offers a 6.6-inch HD Plus display with dynamic bar technology and comes in color options like field green, azure blue, brilliant gold and stylish black. Additionally, ITIL A70 is available in two other variants with 128GB and 64GB storage options, both paired with 12GB RAM. The smartphone is equipped with a 5000 mAh battery and offers functionalities such as intelligent notifications, face unlock and more. With a focus on disrupting the entry-level smartphone segment, ITIL aims to set new standards for performance and value in the competitive tech landscape. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and subscribe to IT Voice for the latest tech news.